This year, Davis School District is asking the community to allow it to bond for $475 million to invest in building improvements for students in our schools and future generations. When the district puts a bond referendum on the ballot, a lot of people ask, what is a bond? The state does not give school districts funding to build or upgrade schools. Bonds are a way districts and property owners work together to construct new schools while updating older ones. A bond works a lot like a home mortgage. The school district sells bonds for building improvements and pays back a portion of the principal with interest every year until the bond is paid off. Voters must approve a bond referendum election. When approved, this bond money will be used to construct a new junior high and elementary, rebuild Bountiful Elementary and Sunset Junior High, complete 7 major renovation projects, and address other pressing needs throughout the district. The district is asking for bond support because its schools have significant repair needs. Now is the best time to lock in current interest rates. Population growth in Davis County and recent increases in property value mean the 2022 bond will have no tax rate increase for property owners. That's right, passing the bond will not increase property tax rates in Davis County. All bond money must go towards school construction and improvement. Legally, it cannot be used for operational expenses, salaries, or anything else. For a complete list of projects and financial details, please visit our website, dsdbond.org.